think there's a dish more homemade than pot roast, so let's learn how to make it. For this recipe, I'll use about 500 grams of beef, preferably a tougher cut like this. Chuck, round, shank, whatever cut of beef you find that's more affordable around you. I'm going to start by sauteing with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, and when the onion softens, I'll add 3 chopped garlic cloves. Chop 1 carrot into small cubes to add color to the sauce. I add the meat in pieces and stir, just so it doesn't look raw anymore. You don't even need to brown it. I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of paprika, which can be spicy or sweet, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, salt, black pepper to taste, and 250 ml of water. I cover the pot and let it reach pressure. In this recipe, once it reaches pressure, reduce heat to minimum, wait 20 minutes, then turn off the heat. Then let the pressure release naturally from the pot before opening it. Now I'm going to open the pot. Add 2 potatoes cut into medium cubes and 150 ml more water. I'll cover the pot and return it to the stove. Now just add the parsley and serve this delicious pot roast. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, share, and see you next time.